Hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright, we're playing some mightycash here, the progressives. Been trying to chase after this grand. There's the major, maxi, minor, mini. Put $100 in the machine, and if you guys watch my videos, I usually tell you anything below $100, go ahead and play it. That's the last paid out voucher. And I also look for clues. If you see here, there's a cigarette bud, and then probably they had a drink. So they've probably been on this machine for a little bit and didn't get a bonus. So let's see if we can get one. So here we go, diamond level, $3.75 bets. Here we go. Got some good action going on. Got a couple line hits. Alright, let's do $5 bets. Nice hit there. Kind of slow, so probably hard time to cover it up. Okay. Alright, 2 more spins. Last spin. Alright. Not bad. Let's do a couple of backup spins. Let's do 10 cents. Let's do bronze level, $4 max bet. We'll take it down to $2.50. All right, here we go. Last spin. Alright, that's mightycash. Alright, forgot to record. We got the natural down to my last spin. I guess we got one more box to fill. Let's see what we get. Not bad. If I get another bonus, I'll come right back. Alright, we moved over to the next machine. We're going to do something a little fun today. We're going to do $30 bankroll. We're gonna see if we can get a roar. We're gonna do my strategic betting. Last paid out voucher is $48.31. So this is a good machine to play. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick bronze. Let's do 30. I'm gonna say 30 spins of 18 cents. Okay, here we go. So let's go ahead and do a max bet of 90 cents and see if we can get a roar out of this. All right, here we go. Move to 2 cents, max bet at $1.80, and we're going to take it all the way through. We're going to write it all, okay? There we go. So we're up, started off with $30, we're up $23.20. Let's go ahead and do a backup spin. Let's go to 1 cent. Let's go do diamond level. Let's do $1.36 bets. And then see if we can get a roar out of this. 3 backup spins, here we go. Continue. We'll stop at $30 or we'll stop at $40. All right. All right, last spin. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and leave it with a profit of $22.04. We'll go ahead and move on to another machine and see if we can do some strategic betting on that one as well. So be right back. All right, we moved over to the White Tiger. This was the machine that we were playing on before, and then we moved over here. Here's the progressives. All right, just like the first one, we're going to go ahead and do strategic betting. We got $42.04 in the machine. We'll do bronze. We'll go ahead and do 30 18-cent spins, and then we'll go ahead and increase our bets, and hopefully we'll get the roar. Okay, so here we go. Bronze, 18 cents. Here we go. It's a little too loud. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, let's go ahead and do a max bet of 90 cents. There we go. Just did it just like the other one. So let's see what we get. Alright. This is on 1 cent. We got the random roar on a max bet of 90 cents. Here we go. Just like the other one's moving kind of slow, so it might be tough to fill it up, but we'll try. Alright, 3 more spins. Alright, 2 more spins. Here we go. There goes to show you that if you do strategic betting, like I always recommend doing 30 spins of the lowest bet and then do a max bet after that, and hopefully you'll get a roar. In this case, we got it twice on this dragon machine and then also on the white tiger. There you go. I got we started off at $30, so we're up $33.80. All right, let me do backup spins here. Let's go ahead and do diamond level. All right, let's do $1.36 bets. Here we go. All right, last spin. That's mightycash. $30 profit.
A few moments
All right,
later.
we're back here. Actually, I'm back to my original red dragon. This one is my favorite. I like to go here and play this machine because it's been giving me like a bunch of wins and free bonuses and free spins and you name it. So anyways, gonna look at the last paid out voucher. All right, so that was my last win here. That was like probably, I want to say 10 minutes ago. So we're back here. Only reason why I'm back here is because I was the last person that played it. And this machine seems to be hot still. So I got $60.30 or 36 cents in the machine. I'm gonna go ahead and do nickels, diamond level at $3.75 a spin. Let's see if we can get a roar here. The only reason why I played this machine, even though I told you that my rule of thumb is anything over 100, move on to the next one and don't play the machine. Well, I was the last person, so I kind of had a feeling that this machine was still hot, and I was right. So we got the random roar on a $3.75 bet on 5-cent denomination. Let's see if we can fill it up. Here we go. It's moving pretty fast, so we got a good chance of filling it up. Started off with $60 and then we have $178. So let's see what our profit is right now. All right, so we started off with $30, so almost a $90 profit. So let me go ahead and do the backup spins here and see if we can get a roar. So let's try 10 cents. Bronze. I love this bet. $4 max bet on bronze on 10 cents. All right, here we go.